Hello everyone. In this video, I will walk you through Qoli, our mobile workforce management platform, and show you how it helps you manage your field's team, their devices, and everything do on them, all from a single platform. Let's start with administration. Administration under users, you can add people who will be using Qoli with their name, email, role, team, and mobile number, and send them an invite straight away. If you are onboarding a group, you can keep adding users in the same window. And if you are moving a whole workforce over, you can import them in bulk. From there, you can see your full user list with their team. Role and device count. Click any user to update their details or block their sign-in when they leave. Your license usage sits right at the top, so you always know where you stand before adding more people. Next, devices. Here you can see every device connected to Qoli, along with the user it belongs to, the model, whether it's active or offline, when it was last seen, the battery level and OS version. Open any device and you get the full picture, the serial number, IMEI, storage, whether it's corporate or personal owned, along with SIM details, carrier network and domain status. Under teams, you can create a team in one click and see the members inside it, along with when each person joined. It's worth setting these up properly because policies, deployments and permissions can all be applied to a whole team instead of device by device. In role management, you create the roles that decide what your admin and managers can do. You will see every permission grouped by features, alerts, device monitoring, locations, phone calls, screen activity, and many more. Give permissions that exactly match what that role should be allowed to do. In advance, you can fine-tune settings for the whole organization, a specific team, or one user. You can turn on HubSpot integration, set how often screenshots are captured, and enable configuration based on tracking. So monitoring runs only during the hours you have defined. Enrollment is how devices actually join Qoli. You send an enrollment request with the server address, QR code, and password, and choose whether it goes out by QR, email, or SMS. Your employee scans once and devices is enrolled. No manual setup, no IT visit. Under deployments, you can push app and configurations out remotely. You can see every deployment with its version, platform, and status. Creating a deployment takes 6 quick steps. Click New Deployment, add the details, pick an action, set a schedule, choose your target filter, and review before it goes out. Policies. Policies are where you decide what a device is allowed to do. You can control whether people can install or uninstall apps, use the Play Store, install from unknown sources, or transfer data over Bluetooth. You can lock a device to a single app with kiosk mode, which is ideal for retail counters and shared field services. Hide system bars and decide whether a factory reset is allowed at all. Then you simply target a policy at a device, a user, or a team. Under App Store, you manage everything your team can install. Can you see each app with its category, platform, device count, and upload status? You can add a Play Store app, your own enterprise app, or turn any internal web tools into a web app with just a name, URL, and icon. And with the File Explorer, you can browse a device internal storage remotely, see how much space is left, and open any folder and act on files directly. Now, dashboards. We will look about dashboards. Here you can see your entire mobile workforce at a glance. Total calls, connected calls, missed and rejected calls, average duration, and reach time. along with how many devices are active and how many are offline right now. Below that, the call timeline shows you when calls actually happened across the day. You can spot the busy hours and the dead worries instantly. Next, you can see call distributed hours by hour, a missed calls trend showing which employees are letting the most calls slip, and an overall split by call type. Further down, the call summary breaks it out person by person, and the location map shows you where every device is right now. You can view all this by day, week or month and filter it to a team or an individual. Next, phone calls. In call logs, you can see every call with the username, contact, type, date, time and duration. You can play or download the recordings right there, and comments. So quality checks happens inside the platform instead of over email. In contacts, you can see the contacts saved on each device, which matters when someone leaves and you need client relation to stay with the business. And a call recordings, you can see everything in one place. Filter by date, type and map a callback to HubSpot. So a client conversation lands against the right CRM record automatically. Location features. Under location features, GPS tracking shows you where your field team actually is. You can see every employee spotted on live map. Pick any date, see where they were, and switch between the individuals and whole team. So verifying a site visit takes seconds, not a phone call. And with Geo Fencing, you can set a boundaries around any location, a client site or a warehouse, a branch, and track entry and exit against it. All your configured fences sit alongside the map, ready to edit whenever your site change. Screen activity. Under screen activity, screen time shows you total screen time broken down by app, along with an app usage list ranked by hours spent. And in screenshots, you can see periodic screen captures grouped hours by hour with the device and timestamps on each one. It gives you visual context behind the numbers, and it's fully configurable, so you decide how often captures happen. Since so much field communications now happen on WhatsApp, Qoli covers that too. You can see WhatsApp call history and contact with duration recording, along with it photos, videos, documents and voice notes shared through the device, each with timestamp and download option. So client commitments made over WhatsApp don't disappear into a personal chat. They stay visible and they stay with the business. Device monitoring. Under device monitoring, installed apps shows you every app on device and when it was installed, and lets you block and unblock any one of them instantly. So if an approved tool shows up on a company headset, you deal with it in one click. And under Wi-Fi networks, you can see every network that device has connected to, with the name, address and last connected date, useful for verifying where a device has been and for spotting connections you had rather your company data didn't travel over. Media files. Under media files, you can see the photos and videos captured on the device, each with the date and time. For field time, this is where proof of work lives, site photos, delivery configurations and damage evidence collected automatically instead of chased over that. Restrictions. And under restrictions, you can see every blocked contact with the date was blocked and unblock any one of them whenever you need. Next, behaviors. Here you can set the behavior alerts. To add any alert, simply click add alert, name the rule, pick a category, choose who it applies to, set schedule and delete what happens when it is triggered, whether that's an email notification or blocking the screen on the device itself. When those rules fire, you will see them under alerts, each with the type, the time and what triggered it. And under events, you can see changes to the device itself. Location access, notification access, accessibility, and screen monitor being enabled or disabled. So, if someone quietly turns off location tracking, you know about it. Messages. Under messages, you can see SMS conversations on a company device, thread by thread, with the timestamps on every message. For sales and field team, that means client comments made over text stay visible to the business and stay recoverable long after the conversation. Next, reports. Here you can see all ready-made reports grouped by categories such as call tracking, location, device management, and app usage. For call log summary and missed call reportings to location history, travel and distance, geo fencing alerts, and device overuse. And under scheduled reports, you can put any of them on autopilot, daily, weekly, or monthly, at whatever time suits, so the report lands in your inbox instead of your to-do list. Next, reviews. Here you can see feedback recorded against call reviews, each with a star rating, who it was for, who added it, and comments itself. You can filter by employee, reviewer, rating, or date, and add a new review at any time. And that's how Qoli works. Enroll your devices once, set your policies, and get complete visibility over your mobile workforce, their calls, their locations, their apps, and their conversation without chasing anyone for an update. If you did like to see it with your own team, book a demo with our team. Links are provided in the description below. Please scan the QR code and book a delegation audit for your team and your organization. Thanks for watching.